Hey Jason, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Today I got to speak with Tina, who thought you should be the one to see this video. So today we're going to go over some tips that you guys can start applying right away. That's really going to help with your online presence and getting more organic leads. It's important to note that nearly 70% of your organic leads do come from your website, so it is really important that your website be properly optimized. So we are on your website, and I've been staring at it a while trying to figure out what happened or what's going on. It appears to be, it's showing me that it's only a one-page site. So I am not sure what has happened, or if there's a reason you're hiding other pages, or the pages were removed. At one point, there were other pages for services and service areas. Um, and I've been able to see that on the back end, but I'm not seeing it now. So I'm not sure what's going on. Um, you definitely do need a separate page for every single one of your service areas and every single one of your services, all with their own original content focused on these local buyer intent keywords like this. Because Google requires you to have content, a lot of content, more content than your competitors. They want 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your homepage, which breaks down to 150 words for every keyword you're trying to target. And you need to be focused on those local buyer intent keywords, which are the keywords people are actively searching for the services you offer. So your entire website needs to be built around that. Every single page needs its own unique content with its own unique keywords. Google has crawlers, which are little robots that go through all your pages, pulling your content and keywords so that they can index you, rank you, and put you in front of your customers. Unfortunately, because I can't see the other pages, I don't know if they still exist. I can't show you what I wanted to show you. So let's take a look at your top competitor for water damage in Salt Lake City. And that's going to be AAA Restoration. They don't have a fantastic website. They do have separate pages for all of their services, with different content and keywords. They definitely have a lot more content than you guys do. Um, they have a hidden menu here. Um, and they're going after the local buyer intent keywords. So you definitely would have to have more content than they do. But they are messing up on the fact that they don't have separate pages for each of their service areas. That's what's going to allow you to organically be found in each area that you service. So any area that you service that has any type of search volume must have their own page with their own content and keywords. And then a website by itself is not enough to be found on Google or the internet. It does need to be supported by SEO, which is search engine optimization. When we look at your guys' score, you have a great score of a 40. Um, it's showing over 22,000 backlinks, which is overkill, because you only have 531 referring domains. And Google only gives you credit for one backlink per referring domain, so majority of this is irrelevant or spam. Not all links are created equal, so you do want to make sure you're only getting authoritative ones, which means they're related to your industry and that they're do follows so that they share the power of those high ranking sites to help you rank. These should be tied to your keywords to help you to rank for the keywords, but you have to have the content there to rank them. Um, you've managed to lose all your keywords but 8, and so now you're only getting 2 people on average to your website per month, for whatever's going on with those pages. You have 485 do follows. So out of 22,000 backlinks, only 485 are relevant and helping your score. So you definitely are going to need to work on those pages, service pages, and service area pages, content and keywords, and supporting that with the proper backlinks. So you can rank those keywords and capture the traffic because you're missing out on thousands in volume right now. If we look at your competitor, they have a good rating of a 25 with only 2,800 backlinks, 300 referring domains. Um, they have 100 of those are 115 are do follows. So you'd only need to beat 115 of the referring domains. Um, and not just in number, but in quality. Um, but you have to have that content and keywords to rank them so you can be found organically. Because they have 1,300 keywords, they are getting about 346 people on average to their website, but they're still missing out on tons of volume. So again, that just shows you how important your optimization is so you can start capturing that traffic. And the last piece of the puzzle is this Google Maps section or Google My Business page. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section because 30% of people go straight to the maps and won't go anywhere else. And so if you're not in the top 3, you send all those leads to your competition. There are several factors that go into ranking in the top 3, but the most important are citations, which is going to be the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yellow Pages, Dex, Yelp, etc. So you need a lot more of those than your top competitor. And when you follow all of these tips I provided you today, your website can be #1 across Google for all of your relative local buyer intent keywords for your services and service areas, supported with SEO. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I would really love to get your feedback on what you thought of this video. And if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching and I look forward to hearing from you soon.